Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Yeah.
So process ya kutengeneza cotton candy.
Unaweka hapa ingredients. That is sugar, honey and flavor.
Okay.
So mimi natumia flavor ya strawberry. So hii machine lazima eat then ndio release.
Okay.
My work is collect. So ngoja itatoka tu. Wacha eat alafu itoke.
Why when it is heated,
yeah,
it comes out by itself?
Yeah.
After you put the honey,
yeah, sugar and
flavor.
Yeah.
Honey, sugar and flavor.
Yeah.
We are going to see something coming out of it. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Something I've never seen. Let me see. All right. So we are making a candy.
Candy flavor.
Candy feed?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Yeah, or candy floss.
Okay, candy floss.
Yeah.
Is what we are making.
Okay. Have you seen something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen things like the webs.
Webs, yeah.
Webs of a spider.
Yeah.
Okay.
My work is only collecting.
To collect,
Collect.
So you can see now the process.
Yeah.
Correcting.
Cotton candy.
She is now correcting
Cotton candy.
the candy. All right. Yeah, that is good.
Yeah.
All right. Nilikuwa na. Okay, so this is my candy.
Yeah, you can pinch and eat.
You can. Utanisikia hivi ama? Hebu nisikie hii. Usike hivyo usike hivyo. So unasema
pinch and eat.
Hivi?
Yeah. That is candy. Ina melt kwa mdomo.
Yeah, and it is sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Na hii ilitoka wapi hii?
Hii machine imetoka India.
Na who brought this part? Mlijua kama msomea ama ni how did you know about it? This candy, so that you teach yourself the process, and then you start making them. Where did you experience what the rice is? China.
Chinese.
So it is a Chinese grocery. Then you copied,
Yeah, you copied. Chinese. Then ukaanza.
Okay, and they are also the same fellows who brought the machine.
Yeah.
Okay. That is good. That is good. All right. So I'm chewing candy.